welcome back to my channel. It is Ashley here again. Hope you guys are having a fantastic day. I'm doing really good today. As you can see, I'm still in my Nickelodeon shirt. I will be in this shirt for a couple of my unboxings. It is the same day, but I need to get these boxes out to you guys. But again, I hope you guys are doing well. If you're new here, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below and hit the little bell notification so you get notified every time that I upload a video. So with that being said, of course, we have yet again another unboxing. Today we have my Macy's Beauty box. I always forget how much this box costs a month. I think it's $15, but I will put everything down in the description below, the correct information, because I could be wrong. But with that being said, let's just jump right onto this, right in. Let's try this again. Let's jump right into this unboxing and see what we got. My trusty Christmas scissors, even though it is October. So we'll get right into here. I think I opened this wrong. Maybe. Why were you not? I always have trouble opening boxes. Alrighty. I think. Oh. Alright. I finally got it open. So you open up the box and it just looks, I have sticky stuff. It just looks like this. It has the little card on top and it says Macy's Beauty Box, and it has all of the items just smacked right onto the front of it, so I'm covering it up so I don't see what's in it. And then it has our $5 off any Macy's Beauty purchase that we get every month. Sometimes they throw in a $10 off here and there, but this month is $5. And then it has the items and their full-size prices. So we will get into here and see what we got. So this is the bag this month. It has some eyelashes on it. It's really cute, and it says all about eyes on the back of it. So we will get into this. And then our little pink roll is in the bag. I so lost my whole train of thought just for a second. Okay, so we will open this up, and it doesn't feel like there's a lot of stuff in here, or it's just really small. So we will get into here and see what we got. If I can unroll all of this. They really roll it. It's like a big old pink burrito. Burritos sound really good. Anyways, okay. So I'm seeing a lot of little sample items, but that's okay. The first thing I'm seeing is by Estee Lauder. It is Advanced Night Repair Cream. And here is the box for this. Why am I showing it to you with my left arm? Here is the box for this. And this says, this unbelievably smooth formula will melt into your skin, fight signs of aging, and leave your eyes feeling luxurious and soft. And the full-size price of this is $62. Not this little guy, but the full size is $62. So we will see. And it is a very itty bitty little pot of this eye cream. And as you can see, it's kind of missing something, so there's not a lot of product in there at all. But there, I know you don't use a lot for your eyes, under your eyes, but they could have filled it just a little bit more. It doesn't really have a scent. It kind of does, but I can't really describe what it smells like. But there's that eye cream, so I definitely give this a go. The next thing I'm pulling out is another little box. This is by Purity Made Simple Eye. It is Philosophy. Purity is embracing our true selves. Hydra Bounce Eye Gel. Hydra Bounce Eye Gel. And here is this little box here. And this says, this lush formula is full of hydrating nutrients to revive and soothe your skin and combat puffiness and dark circles. I could use some of that. And the full size of this is $24. So we'll see what this looks like. It's so tiny. Like, the box is cut in half, and it was only in half the box, so they could have really just sent this. Here's this itty bitty little eye cream, which, like I said for the last one, you don't use a lot for your eyes, but it does seem pretty full. And it probably is just a white, okay, there's not a lot in there. It is just a white cream. I don't want to use a lot of it because there's not much in there. And this really doesn't have a scent either. So I'll give this a go. Let's see, the next thing I'm pulling out is these sizes just keep getting smaller and smaller. Like this is the last one and this is the next one. And it is even tinier. I almost said smallier. Smallier? That's not a word. But this is by Bare Minimals. It is Prime Time Eyelid Primer. And it's like Barbie size. And it's filled to about right there. So it is almost full. But it is very Barbie sized. And this says, this nourishing cream glides on your eyelids to create a smooth surface that will resist creasing or fading. And this retails, the full size is $19. So I will definitely use this before I slap some eyeshadow on my eyes or something. It's just a little primer. So I would definitely try to use it as much as I can. Like I said, there's not much in there and it is very tiny. So there's that. The next thing I'm pulling out is a perfume, and this is Eternity for Men. So this is a cologne. And this says, where's the men one? A new, fresh, and alluring fragrance that you'll love on, oh no, this one is a warm and woodsy fave that you'll love on him. This full size is, for 1.7 ounces, it's $64. For 3.4 ounces, it's $79. So this is a men's cologne, which I will be passing on to my husband. But I do want to smell it, and it is kind of full. It's about right there, so they could have filled it up a little bit more. But we will spray, where's the little, how does this work? Oh, there's the little hole. We'll just spray this on here. Come out. There we go. Ooh, that smells really good. It is very woodsy. I sprayed way too much of it. It does smell extremely good. So I will definitely be passing this on to my husband to see if he likes it. So there's the men's cologne. And then the next thing we got is a woman's cologne, and this is Calvin Klein Woman. And this is a fresh and alluring fragrance. And for a 1.7 fluid ounce is $84. 3.4 ounces is $106. So we will get this out and give this a sniff. Ooh, that smells really good. It's not really fruity, but it's almost masculine, but not overly, like for a man. I'm really bad at describing scents, but I really do like it, so I will be wearing this. So there, I just dropped it. There's that. The next thing is a Monsieur Big mascara, waterproof mascara by Lancome. And here is the little box of this. And this says Lancome Monsieur Big Waterproof Mascara. A unique wavy brush and smooth formula makes this a luxury mascara, giving you full and fabulous lashes that can withstand the elements. And the full size of this is $24. So we'll see what the wand looks like, and it is just a little bitty sample. The packaging's not much. It's just on the top, and it has the name of it on there. And then the brush is really big, and it looks just like a standard applicator with some like pokey, it has little pokey things, and they look like they're kind of plasticky. So there's the applicator. It's a black mascara. So I'll add it to my collection. And the last thing that we have in here is by Galactic Beauty. This is a precise eyeliner marker. And here is the packaging for this. And this says, this long-lasting, water-resistant liner makes it easy to create a line as thick or thin as you like. And the full size of this is $20. So we have a eyeliner, which I will give a little bit of a swatch here. It is a terrible line, but it is very precise. And it is just a black eyeliner. So there's that. I'll use it. And that's all that we got in Macy's for the month of October. My overall thoughts on this bag is that they could include bigger sample size. Like these are very tiny. And I know we do get a pretty heavy, sturdy bag with it every month, but I would like to see some bigger sample sizes. What are your guys' thoughts and opinions on this month's bag? If you guys get it, did you guys get the same things? Do you like it? Do you think it's worth the money? Like I said, I think it's $15 a month, but I cannot remember. So I would definitely leave everything down in the description below. But with that being said, that is all that I have for this video. If you like this video, please don't forget to like and subscribe down below. And I'll see you guys in my next video. Bye!